Are you looking for reliable, up-to-date information related to Florida taxes? Whether you're running a business or just trying to stay on top of your filing responsibilities, the Florida Department of Revenue is here to help with a wide range of resources to keep you informed and in compliance. Let's take a quick tour of some of the tools we offer to Florida taxpayers. First, stay ahead of deadlines and policy changes by subscribing to the department's email updates. It's fast, easy, and free. At floridarevenue.com/DOR/subscribe, you can sign up to receive due date reminders, tax information publications, notices of proposed rules, press releases, and more. Just click Continue, enter your email address, and select the topics you want. Need to learn the basics or get help with a specific tax? Visit our taxpayer education webpage at floridarevenue.com/taxes/education. You'll find helpful tutorials, industry-specific brochures, guides to completing tax applications, and tips for business success. Have a specific question? Chances are someone else has asked it too. Check out our frequently asked questions page at floridarevenue.com/FAQ. Just type your question, choose the relevant category, and get answers instantly. If you still need help, you can click Ask a Tax Question to submit your inquiry to Taxpayer Services. Looking for detailed information on specific taxes like sales and use tax, corporate income tax, or reemployment tax? It's all on our General Taxes webpage at floridarevenue.com/taxes. Prefer to talk to someone in person? Visit one of our taxpayer service centers located throughout Florida. Find your nearest location online at floridarevenue.com/taxes/service centers. Stay connected by following us on social media for timely updates. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, X, and YouTube. Just visit the department's homepage at floridarevenue.com and click the social media icons at the top or bottom of the page. Still have questions? Call Taxpayer Services at 850-488-6800 or send an email to fdor-taxpayerservices@floridarevenue.com. At the Florida Department of Revenue, we're committed to keeping you informed so you can stay focused on what matters most. Our goal is to make tax information accessible, understandable, and easy to use. The Florida Department of Revenue administers the state of Florida's general tax administration, property tax oversight, and child support programs.